All right, so today we're going to be doing a quick unboxing video for the DGX systems. I have a NVIDIA DGX Spark in the bottom box here, and we have the Acer DGX GN100. And essentially a little bit later on today, I'm going to be doing a quick connection to both of them. We're going to cluster them. But for the most part, they're exactly the same system. The major difference is the case. The DGX is gold, and the Spark is gold, and the GN100 is black. They're both really nice units, but I figured, we only get a chance to unbox this one, so let's give it a try. This is the QSFF cable that's going to connect both of them. Let's go ahead and do the DGX Spark today because it's gold. And why wouldn't you want to check out a gold system? It's pretty heavy. It's a hefty box. All right. Very much like the Apple systems. You can peel these. Okay. I'm still gonna use a laser blade here. Kind of exciting. It's really hard to get these. Ever since Jensen announced it last year, there's been a shortage of it, but I'm glad we're able to get one today. Okay. Ooh, look at that. The first thing you see immediately is the Spark. It's kind of camouflage. I barely could see that. Nice packaging. Nothing on the other side there. And, ooh, that's nice. It's a bit heavy. Cool. I like that it's gold, and I like that the texture here kind of matches my quartz. So kind of camouflage it here. I can't see it when I'm working. So yeah, there we go. The Spark is there. Let's see what else is in the box. It's really nice packaging. Okay. Box there. DGX Spark Quick Start Guide. This looks like a power adapter. It's pretty hefty. And this is a typical 3-prong system. So yeah, that's all we have for the NVIDIA DGX Spark. Just for, if you guys are curious, that over there, these are a pair of Acer touchscreen portable monitors, and I'm going to be connecting each of those to these two devices.